warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Introduce us from Group 4, presenting video segment
Entitled Disaster Management.
Lecture Miss Nur Husna Kairisa SPD MSc.
Enjoy watching!
Let me introduce myself. My name is Marseda and name R1B1 23007. 6 sentences about disaster management. 1. Disaster is an event that causes major losses. 2. Mitigation efforts to reduce the implement of a disaster. 3. Emergency response is quick when a disaster occurs. 4. Evacuation is moving people for a danger location. 5. Recovery is the process of returning to a post-disaster state. 6. Rehabilitation is long-term recovery after a disaster.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Helda Febrina. My student registration number is R1B1 23005. I will continue the 6 sentences about disaster management from my friend Maseda. Number 7. Disaster zone is area affected by a disaster. Number 8. Vulnerability is the degree of exposure of an area or population to a disaster. Number 9. Disaster risk is potential loss due to disaster. Number 10. Displaced person is a person who is forced to leave his place of residence due to a disaster. Number 11. Volunteer is a person who helps in the disaster management without compensation. Number 12. Command center is the location where disaster management is organized.
Hello everyone. Allow me the introduction. My name is Iksal Meni Saputra, NIM R1B1 23025. I will continue disaster management sentence from Helda Febrina. Number 13. Simulation. Simulation activities carried to train communication preference in facing disaster. Number 14. Standby. Going ready to face a disaster or emergency. Number 15. Logistics. Disaster logistics is the emergence of logistics, raw material in disaster management. Number 16. Recourse. Air process command and action in security. 17. Early warning is series of activity carried out to provide information the public about the possibility of disaster occurring soon. Number 18. Reserve are something the earth economy thought it is observant from human needs.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Akmaluddin and I am R1B1 23049. Prevention is an action or process to restrain or prevent something from happening. Prevention can also be interpreted as an effort to take action before an incident. Damage evaluation is the process of finding the cause of damage and determining the level of damage. Damage evaluation can be carried out on product, road and road pavement. Examples of damage evaluation include road damage evaluation, product damage evaluation. Infrastructure is the basic facilities and structures needed to support community and company activities, but physically and social. Infrastructure can be in the form of buildings, roads, accelerated supplies, and so on. Anticipation has several meanings, namely 1. Calculation about things that will or have not happened. 2. Foreshadowing or prophecy. 3. Mental adjustment to events that will occur. 4. Emotion involving pleasure of anxiety in considering or waiting for an expected event. Anticipate means to look forward to, hope for, or wait for something. Anticipating can also be interpreted as an action to prepare for future events. Repair means to restore something that is damaged or defective to its original state. Improving can also mean making something better, such as making it neat or nice.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Sarmada. Name R1B1230063. Perfection is an action or process to restrain or prevent something from happening. Prevention can also be interpreted as an effort to take action before an incident occurs. Alert is the status of preparedness when there is a potential disaster. Simulation is an exercise or trial conducted to deal with a potential disaster. Recovery is the stage after a disaster occurs, where the main focus is on repairing damage, restoring infrastructure, and helping disaster victims return to normal condition. Management refers to the overall management of disaster risk, from planning to response and recovery. Mapping in the context of reforestation is used to identify areas requiring environmental rehabilitation. Reforestation is the act of planting trees and other plants in areas that are bare of or have lost their natural vegetation.